here's everything coming in the new update of Animal Hospital. New event. That baby crib, it could be for baby anomalies, but yeah, and that person who made ideas for Animal Hospital and 99 Nights in the Forest, he got the baby anomalies idea from the thing that when you glitch out of the map. Anyways, new special shift. I don't really know, but it's probably gonna be about Ratu, kinda. And new species would be probably a water environment, and improved visitors. They would probably be able to outsmart you very easily. I think they would just I'm not sure about that though. New skins, German Shepherd, another another matching skin and galaxy skin. It's gonna be so fun. Oh, new law events. Yeah, that's probably gonna be mostly about Ratu and probably Ratina. And I think that's all for today, guys.